Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out the channel and joining us on this episode. So first off, before we go any further, Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you had a great New Year and all the best for the rest of the coming year. Hope it's a good one. Also again, cheers for everyone's support with the channel, whether it's been over the last year or since the beginning of the channel. Your support has been much appreciated, as always. Also as well, a couple of thanks. One, a massive thanks to my wife, Zoe, who to be honest does like loads for the channel in the background, and I wouldn't be able to do it otherwise if it wasn't for Zoe, so a massive thanks to Zoe. Also a huge thanks, especially over the last year or so, to Paul and Janice and the team at Inside Line Models. Also been a huge help towards the channel, so thank you very much, it's much appreciated. Now while I'm on that note as well, obviously this came from Inside Line Models. Now we do have the discount code still running, so if you want to get yourself 5% off from their online store, anything on their online store, you need to use the code ANDYRC5 and it'll get you 5% off. So cheers to Inside Line Models for that, and cheers for sponsoring this video, much appreciated. Okay, so we'll get stuck in it. So as I said, new year and a new build. Now obviously this is the 2023 Super Sabre, but it came out in December, so it's pretty much, you know, a new car, or a new re anyway. As I say, if you didn't see the unboxing, I shall put a little link to that in the video description. You can check it out first. Now, as the Super Sabre 2023 came pre-painted, there wasn't much more you can do, I suppose, without going box art. So I wanted to sort of put my own little bit of a stamp on it. So I went with a red tint on the cockpit, or the windows. Admittedly, it's a little darker than I wanted it to be. That's probably my own fault, to be honest. It was painting at night in the garage probably wasn't the best, but it was warmish for this time of year. So, but I'm still pleased with it. I think it still works well. Let me know what you think. And also, we got these rather wicked wheels from Miniature Manufacturing. There's some alloy CNC machined wheels. So we've got them on it just to lift it a bit. Again, put your own sort of stamp on it, and I think it sort of brings up the kit really nicely. And of course, we've got some little nice little red alloy nuts for it as well, which I think they go well with the wheels. Other than that, it was bore raced from built, so a new set of bearings that were put in. The rest of it's standard, with apart from except a 17 turn brush motor. I did want a BZ or an RZ stock Tamiya motor, but I didn't have any, so I went with this one for now. I might swap to one when I pick one up, we'll see. But anyway, that's what it's doing for now. I didn't really want to run it on the silver can. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how it looks. Let me know what you think. I'm pleased with it. I've got a few more things to do with it. I've got a brace for the front wishbones, A-arms there. I've got one of them to come on it. It can be a bit of a weakish spot. So that's on its way. And I might do a couple of other things. We will see. But let's put it down on the ground and let's see what it's like. Now obviously it's going to be a bit like a boomerang, because essentially it is a boomerang. If you've not seen that video, I'll put a link to that in the description as well. But yeah, as I said, I prefer this over the boomerang. What's your favourite? The Super Sabre or the boomerang? Let me know. Anyway, let's give this a go. I just love those wheels, it looks super. Anyway, so it's pretty nippy. I would have, you get a choice of two pinions in the kit. You get a 13 and a 15, and I went with the 15. I think with this motor, I probably should have put the 13 in. I am only running a, what do you call it, a NIM battery though. But yeah, I would have preferred a bit more acceleration. But you know, it's not bad. I think it probably does drive a little better with the BZ stock in. The boomerang went really nicely with that in. The only other thing I did then, I just noticed as the car dived down, I put some thicker oil up in the front monoshock. yeah, no, it's drives nicely. Pleased with that. Anyway, I say we came out because we were hoping for it not to be raining. Now I'm just looking at the sky now, and it looks like it could possibly rain. Anyway, let's just pop on here, and we'll get it over the next track. Instead. Oh, lost it. I'm literally over the next track. I've thrown myself off the rhythm. Sure, I drove the boomerang much better than this last time I was here. I did lose the front bumper though on the boomerang video. I didn't put the what did I not do? I didn't put the screw down. But yeah, it's nice. It drives nice and smooth. Sounds a bit better than my boomerang actually, and I did build it exactly the same way. So I don't really know what's that's about, but yeah, it's like my front bumper's going to take a pasting. Other than that, suspension's nice and supple. Yeah, pretty pleased with it. I'm more than pleased with it. I'm really pleased with it. Let's just take it down there because it looks ace going full tilt down there. There we go. Right, what we'll do is we're going to bring it back and we'll wrap this one up. Funny enough, this is the second attempt we've done with this video because I missed some key information off it. Anyway, there you go, 2023 Tamiya Super Sabre. As I said, let me know in the description what you think of it. Do you like what I've done to it? Which one do you prefer? Boomerang, Super Sabre? What are you a fan of? For me, it's the Super Sabre. It's just so 80s, isn't it? But yeah, there we go. So cheers for checking out this episode. Much appreciated, as always. Have a great rest of the new year. And let's see what happens in 2024. Also, we're still waiting on the RC10 Clear Classic Collector's Edition to come in, and the Yokomo as well. We're expecting the Riri Yokomo to come in as well. Can't wait for them to get here. Really looking forward to them. Anyway, I'm going. Cheers for everyone's support as always. Cheers to my fellow YouTubers as well. Keep on doing what you're doing. You do a fantastic job. And at some point I hope to get back where I can start commenting and watching everyone's videos again. It's just difficult at the moment. But I do appreciate all your continued support. Right, I'm going now. Look after yourselves and take care. And we'll see you all soon. Bye.